page?
We are reviewing chapter 6 and the end of chapter 7, or the beginning of chapter 7. Okay? We have our six.
Chapter 6, we are going, Mr. Which page? Mister, we need a copy that you're copying.
Yeah, I copied what we write down here. Okay?
Okay. I am taking out my pencil.
You're going to be working on definitions.
Cuando él me dice que no está, que está conectado, yo me meto a ver si es verdad y si tiene encendida la cámara. Porque si no hay nada. Está conectado.
Okay.
Mister,
Yeah.
I'm gonna bring my notebook because I have it here back of me. I don't know.
All right, grab it. We are on chapter 6 about energy and engines, okay? All right. So we're going to be looking at some definitions to review. Let's start with solid. Who can tell me what a solid is?
Solid.
Yeah, solid. Who can tell me what is a solid?
Solid has a define of shape. Mister, a define of shape?
Yeah, a state of being. State of being, oops. With a definite shape. Sorry, not state of being, but state of matter. That's what it is. It's a state of matter with a definite shape. Now we have liquid. Who knows what liquid is?
Liquids have no permanent shape.
Liquid is a state of matter without a definite shape. But normally it stays together, right? For example, I have water in my cup right here. If I shake it, it's still gonna stay in the cup, right? That's because the
Yes,
molecules,
it's true.
the molecules normally, sorry, but stay together. Our last one is gas.
The last one of solid, all that, bring it.
Yeah, the last one out of these ones, solid, liquid, and gas. So the gas is a state of matter without a definite shape as well. But do the molecules stay together in this one? Yes or no?
No, because the gas is to the sky.
Yeah, it goes up. It goes into the air. But separate. Let me know when you guys are ready.
Finish, mister. Finish, mister.
Okay,
Finish, mister.
perfect. Now we're gonna move to kinetic energy. What is kinetic energy?
Kinetic energy.
Yes. Any ideas?
Kinetic is the energy of motion.
Energy of motion. Remember we learned about that?
Yeah.
So remember when we're all moving like this? That was kinetic. Now we have the opposite. What is potential?
What?
Potential energy. What is potential?
Or potential energy or stored energy.
Stored energy. So energy that's not moving. But once it moves, that becomes kinetic energy. So let's do some examples of kinetic energy.
We need to write it, mister.
Yeah, it'd be helpful for you. For example, number one, can you guys give me an example of kinetic energy? Remember, it's energy of motion. If it's moving, it's kinetic energy.
I don't know it. Kinetic energy.
Something moving, you know.
A car.
A car. A car driving down the street. Can you give me another one?
A airplane.
An airplane.
A bicycle. No.
A person.
Doing what? Let's say a person riding a bike.
Yes.
All right. Now we got kinetic. Let's see some examples of potential.
A rock.
A rock.
Like it don't move.
Let's say a rock.
No, wait. A pencil.
A pencil on the desk.
Yes.
Yes. A computer.
A computer on a desk?
Yeah,
Yes.
because they
All right,
don't
so
have
if it's
feet.
not moving, it is potential. If it's moving, it's kinetic, all right? Very simple. You guys
Okay.
we did that one fast.
Yeah, Mister. Mister, we need to copy that example.
Yeah, I'd copy them down. It'd help
But
you.
else we copy it.
If you understand it, you don't have to copy it. But if you think it might help you, I would copy it.
Finish.
Yeah? All right, now let's go back to the very beginning of chapter 6. We were talking about force, energy, motion, all that good stuff. All right, who can tell me what force is?
Force.
Yeah, what is force?
Wait, Mister.
What is the force described as? On chapter 151. I'm sorry, page 151.
Force. What is force? You will be using a contact force, a force that occurs when one object pushes against another object.
Let me hear what Gloria says. Gloria, what'd you say?
A force then is best described as a push or a pull.
All right, a push or a pull. That's what we'll go with. Very good. Force is a push or a pull.
Contact force. You will be using a contact force, a force that occurs when one object pushes against another object.
Yeah, the force that occurs. Very good. Sorry, I got distracted. Very good. So we have the contact force, which is the force that occurs when one object pushes against another object. We have another type of force called friction. Tell me, what is friction?
A force that
Friction. I don't remember what I see the word, but I don't find it now. Friction, what is friction?
Mister, can you wait me? I just will go to the repeat
Friction
something.
is a special type of contact force brought about when the surface of two objects rub together.
The sentence before it. What is the sentence before it?
This force that resists motion is called friction.
force
Mister,
that.
can you let me go and pick my pencil there?
Yeah, of course, go for it.
Finish, mister.
Finish. All right.
Only that, mister.
We have one more on this, and then we're gonna work on chapter 7.
Okay.
The last one we have is gravity. The last force.
Easy this exam, so.
If you study, yeah.
A gravity wave.
Already, mister. How many questions you will put, mister?
I don't remember how many questions are on there.
Mr. Fine.
Mister, you already know how we get in Bible in the evaluation.
I haven't checked 100% yet. I have to check again. All right, our last one, gravity. Who can tell me what is gravity?
Gravity.
Gravity.
That an object will hate, no. Yes, an object will weigh much less on the moon. No. I don't find it, mister. I'm reading Versailles Private Investigator.
It is on page.
Gravity is the force of a fraction that exists between any pair of objects.
All right, very good. Let's move all the way to chapter 7 now.
Wait, mister, I'm copying. Chapter 7, chapter 7, chapter 7.
Mister,
Yeah.
question. At what time you will send the link so we can connect?
I'm going to
Do it.
look at your schedule. Let me look at your schedule first. Let's see what time.
At 1.
At 1, mister.
At 1. You want to do it at 1?
Yes,
I don't know you?
Yeah.
because we have time to study.
Yes.
Send it at 1 so you guys have time to study.
Yes, because it's a lot what we need to
Do you want me to
learn.
send it at 1 or do you want me to send it at 2?
At 1,
I don't know
mister.
you.
At 2, mister.
Yes.
At 2.
Listen, because you guys have math at 10, reading at 11, lunch at 12.
Yeah, at 2.
At
At 2. At 2
At
better.
2.
All right, chapter 7. Now we're going to talk about the sun. How far away is the sun from the earth?
Mister, I can read the amazing song.
I want to know how far away the sun is from the earth.
The song.
I already know how far you guys
Can you tell me?
Mister, we need to copy that you're copying.
Of course you need to copy it.
Okay. My course.
To the earth. Maybe 3 million miles to the earth.
93 million miles away from the earth.
Yes.
Very good.
Sir.
All right, we have what is the definition of core? What is the core?
Wait. Core. I don't remember what is core. Where is the core? Here in the other page, but I don't find it.
On page 100.
Mister,
Carlos?
81. Wait, the core is the innermost section of the sun. innermost of the sun.
Innermost section of the sun. Very good. Now we have the corona.
And Mister,
The coronavirus.
the corona.
Mister,
Follow, follow.
a vapor blanket with a estimated temperature of 1 million.
It's what surrounds the sun, though. We say a vapor blanket surrounds the surrounds the chromosphere. Good job, Carlos.
Vapor.
Need to respond. Okay, our next one is sunspot.
Some what? Sunspot. Sunspots are caused by the sun magnetic field appear than the rest of the because they wait.
One more time.
Sunspots are caused by sun magnetic field and appear direct than the rest of the sun because they are much purer than the surrounding gases that make up the photosphere.
They're dark spots on the surface of the sun.
Wait, Mister.
Mister, we will just do it to a chapter 7, right?
Yeah, we're just doing a little of chapter 7, not all of chapter 7.
Constellation. Constellation.
So we can finish the school.
What?
You just only missing 2 months, so we can finish the school.
I know, we're almost done, right? All right, September, October.
September we finished.
No, November.
November.
In my birthday.
Giancarlos, a big surprise, Giancarlos.
Wait, Giancarlo.
Carlos, we're gonna.
Okay, first question.
Wait a minute. Wait.
No, I want to say fair definition. Fair definition.
Constellations.
Who can tell me?
Wait.
What are some?
Like the mist.
What are some of the constellations in the northern hemisphere? We learned about stars in the constellation.
Orion, Betelgeuse, and Rio.
The bird, big bird.
Great
The
Bear.
lion. The lion.
We have a lion. What else do we have?
Orion. I think that is the name.
Lion. Very good.
And big dog.
Big dog.
And Little Dipper.
No.
Or Herman's.
And I think there's one more. Starts with a T.
With a P.
T.
And
Twins. The twins.
Twins. Very good. Now we have the southern hemisphere.
Let me try one copy.
Man. Twin. Southern.
Surround surgeons hemisphere. That is in the other page, right, Mister?
Yep.
Yes, that is. But only they have only 2 constellations. sun is corona.
Mister, but how are we doing this test? It's the same like yesterday.
Yeah, same thing. I'll send it to you. All right, we have two constellations of the southern hemisphere. Can you tell me what they are?
Scorpion and Southern Cross.
Scorpion
Big Dipper.
and
And Southern Southern.
Lily, is that you? Oh, I figured that was you. Very good. We have Scorpion and Southern Cross. Listen carefully though. Big Dipper is not part of the Northern Hemisphere. Big Dipper is part of Great Bear.
Oh.
All right. So don't put down the Big Dipper, okay? All right. Everyone,